What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back again with another banger, man. Yeah, I know. I ain't even gonna say nothing this time. I'm just back again with another banger, man. So it is September. You feel me? Let me make sure, cause I've been all over the place, bro. So much going on. Why we forgetting about the months? We blew through this whole quarantine so fast. But today's video. It's September, like it's September. August passed, August, September. It's woofing season. Woofing season has officially started. Woofing season has officially started, man. Yes, sir. Woofing season has officially started. And today I'm gonna be bringing a simple video to y'all. Real simple little video to y'all. Basically, I'm gonna be telling y'all how to double compress. For those of y'all who don't know how to double compress, I'm gonna be showing you that in this video. And first thing you're gonna need is some type of cap. You're gonna need a cap do-rag, just like that. And bang, just like that, man. So make sure y'all can see that. Just a cap do-rag. And you're gonna need one of these bad boys right here. This one right here is whooped. I've been using it strictly for woofing. Let me make sure the camera's straight for y'all. One of your Rico's merch, you know, Nipsey Blue, right there. But in today's video, you either need one of those or you can get your Oreo Black right there. I got so much stuff coming in store for y'all. 2021 is finna be crazy, bro. I'm ready for quarantine to be over. I'm ready to go crazy. I'm ready to quarantine. We ain't ready to quarantine no more. No. I'm ready for quarantine to be over, bro. Like, this quarantine stuff was cool. Some people took an L, some people gained from it, some people up off of it. Hey man, blessings go out to whoever family is hurting, whoever family is up right now. I'm sending my blessings your way, man. Make sure you stay positive, stay motivated, use whatever you got to push and become something, you feel me? But, you know, it's time to get back on it, bro. It's time. You feel me? It's that time, bro. It's woofing season, and I got so much in store for y'all. I got all type of new things coming. I can't even speak on that right now, you know. But all I can say is I got some new things coming, and I got something that's really gonna shock y'all. I got something that's really gonna shock y'all coming soon. So just stay tuned. You feel me? I'm back. I can say I'm back now and I'm gonna leave later, but no, we back on that grind for sure. So basically what you want to do is after you finish your nice brush session with your Rico's merch brush, for those of y'all who haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. Rico's merch brush right here. It's the black edition, the first to the family. Let me tune that down so y'all can see. We ain't doing no edits around here either. Black edition, first to the family, man. There y'all go. Rico's 360 surf brush. Only grab y'all one. They on the site right now. Turn that back up real quick. Get on my lights cam on. Hold on. Alright. So, after you, hold on. You still here? You still here, bro? Yeah, you right there. You still here? You over there. You're still here, bro? You finna make me mad, bro. Like, get over to the website right now, bro. What is you doing? I didn't mean to do it. Just get to the website before I do it again. Get to the website, boy. And get you one of them brushes, man. Get you a brush and a do-rag and some oil while you're there. Get you a starter kit. You need a starter kit. Go and get it right. Go get right with some Rico's merch, man. It's that Oreo right here. Come on now. You like, do I gotta, come on, man. Do I gotta do that again to you? Like, come on, bro. I tried to be nice. I tried to be nice. Just get over to the website and grab you a brush if I do it again, bro. What you looking at, man? Stop looking at me. But anyway, man, what you want to do is after a simple brush session, you want to just go ahead and grab a Rico's Merch Silky. By the way, ooh, we can drop the AirPod. Hold on. By the way, all my rags are silky. All of my rags are silky. All my brushes is A1. Get to the website, bro. I'm not gonna tell you again, bro. You too, bro. Open up your phone, type in ricothewaver.com. Come on now, send him the link, bro. What you doing? Share the video. Share him the video so he can watch, subscribe, and he can get the link. Come on now. Just go like that, right? And this is how you put on your cap. For those of y'all who don't know how to put on your cap, what you wanna do, you just take the cap like this, and put your fingers in like this, spread them out. So it look like this, spread them out. And you kinda wanna just like pull them down just like that, you feel me? So it get on your fat head, knocking on the head. You just pull down like that, make sure it's on there though, you feel me? You want it to be on there, you feel me? You want it to be on there, alright? What you looking at, man? Quit looking at me. You looking too hard. Anyway, my bad, y'all. He was just looking to me. Go about your business, bro. Yeah, you. Go about your business, man. Yeah. I'm just sick of the haters, bro. But yeah, so next step now, just pull it down a little bit. Make sure this is not too up, like on your hairline. You want to pull it down so it could be kind of by like your, you know, eyebrows kind of. So that way when you flap the flap up, it could still be low. You feel me? Then you just take it straight to the back like that. Across like that. You dig? And then you flip it this way so that Rico's Merch can still show. Just like that. And y'all know I always come with some crazy, same thing for the other side though. Make sure it's flipped this way. And I also teach you how to undo it where y'all can't have the line. So you won't be scrunched up like this. I'm showing you, look. You just make sure it's flat out, you feel me? Go like this and make it flat out. You feel me? Use your finger to align it. You wanna align it like this on the other side. Make sure it's all flat. Then you wanna have your two things in the back, push it down in the center like that. Don't pull it too tight because you don't want to mess your do-rag up. Because you do have your do-rag flipped over and you don't want to get a do-rag, you don't want to rip the do-rag, you feel me? And then you just tie your do-rag like so. Pull it down an inch in the back, just a little bit, you know, make sure that you know, the cap is under the tie, so the tie can hold the cap down. Feel me? Just like that. And then I just like to take mine, twist it up, and tuck the cap in. Because I don't really like the cap hanging on my neck sometimes because it be kind of hot. And I don't want it all on my neck, you feel me? Just like that, bro. And that's how you double compress. It's real simple, bro. It's just hold on, I gotta be tripping. What is you looking at, man? Damn. Stop looking at me, bro. I'm tired of you. But man, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. We coming with some more heat, man. Hey man, we back on that flow. Hey, for real though. Like for real, we back on that flow. Like for real. Stop playing with me, man. Run this video, like this video, share it with your friends, your auntie, your cousin, whoever trying to get waves, bro. And get to that website, Rico's Merch, man. It's your boy Rico, I'm out.